If you're new to Samsung phones and you're currently using the Samsung Messages app, then this video is for you. All right, so there's a feature known as trash, and basically that if you deleted a message in the Messages app itself, you'll probably need to go in there and view that deleted message because it saves it for 30 days. All right, so to be on the safe side, let's go ahead and get started. So in order to get into this section here for the trash here, you'll of course need to be using the Samsung Messages app here. Then from the Messages app section here, you'll see the three dots at the top right. Once you tap on that one time here, to view the trash, you'll go here. This is going to show you all the recently deleted messages, and it tells you right here that it's going to be saved there for 30 days and then eventually deleted on its own. So if you deleted something and you don't want that person to see that deleted message, make sure you come here and remove it. Now, if you wanted to not save any deleted messages, what you're going to do now is go to the three dots here, go to settings, and then you'll see the trash option. Okay, so keep deleted messages for 30 days right there. Okay, so make sure that's turned off, and then there will be no trash. Okay, so turn it off from here, and you're good to go. Like and sub.